In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make payments and gain access to Revit Tutorial Masterclass with ease. I'm going to be sending you this link. All you need to do is to tap on it, or I will also leave the link in the description of this video. And once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. On this page, you will see some red buttons. Any of these buttons, any of these red buttons that you click on will take you to these payment details. Now you can see the price, $40 as of today. Make sure you grab it before the discount is gone. On this place, just click on this drop down. You will be able to change it to your own local currency. You can see I can change it to Naira, and all I need to do is to enter my name, my email address, and click on pay. Or if I am in Ghana, I can change it to Ghana Cedi and enter my name and email address. Or if I am in Kenya, I select Kenyan Shilling and the price will be updated automatically. Okay, so let me enter Naira, for example. I will enter my name, my email address, and I will hit pay. It will direct me to where I am going to make payment by transfer. I can make payment by transfer. This is the account number. This account number is temporal. Once you make this transaction, the account number may not exist again. And you can also use card to make the payment. There are several options here, so just follow the one that is easier for you. Now let me go back again. Use the Ghana Cedi option. Let's assume you are in Ghana and you want to use that option. Let's see how. Like I said earlier, you enter your name, your email address, and right now it's in Ghana Cedi. So click on pay now and you'll be redirected to where you can make payments with ease. If you look at the right hand side, you see three options here. You can make payment with your card. You can also make payment with bank transfer. You can also make payment with mobile money. And that is it. Once you make your payment, you will be automatically redirected to the access page. Just wait a little bit after making your payment. Just don't be in a hurry to leave the page. You will be automatically redirected to the access page. And even if you are not redirected to the access page, after making your payment, go back, check your email, you will see the access page and click on it. There are video instructions along the way that will show you how you can gain access to the course. And once you do all these steps right, you are not going to have any issue. And along the line, if you have any question, you can always contact me and I will see how I can help you. All right, so that is how you can make your payments. See you in the next video. Bye.